Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I am your professor Mr. Doi and I am making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Abeno Harukas. Abeno Harukas is a 300-meter tall skyscraper in Osaka's Abeno Award. It opened in 2040 and was once the tallest building in Japan. However, in November 2023, the Azabudai Hills Mori, a JP Tower in Tokyo, at 330 meters, 330 meters, become tallest. Even so, Abeno Harukas remains a popular landmark in Osaka. The building has many facilities, including a shopping mall, a hotel, a museum, and offices. The observation deck, called Harukas 300, is on the 58th to 60th floors. From here, you can enjoy a 360-degree view of Osaka. On clear days, you can even see Kyoto, Kobe, and Awaji Island. The night view is especially beautiful, and there are sometimes special light show and projection mapping events. Abeno Harukas also has a Kintetsu department store where you can shop and enjoy food. There are many options from local area dishes to fine dining. On the 60th floor, the Abeno Harukas Art Museum hosts various exhibitions from Japan and abroad. The building is directly connected to Tennoji Station, making it very convenient to visit. Abeno Harukas is a symbol of the modern Osaka and offers many ways to enjoy your time in the city. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.